Okay, today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on WS 5.5A8 2024. We multiply fractions. Well, you can just take and multiply. When you multiply fractions, you can just multiply straight across if you want. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 5 is 10. You got this fraction 4/10, which is the correct answer. It's just not in simplest terms. So, in simplest terms, you'd have to divide both of these by 2. 4 divided by 2 would be 2. 10 divided by 2 would be 5, and there's your 2/5. I like cross-reducing. First, I just dropped my pen, my marker, so that's okay. I'll just draw it. I like looking diagonal. Is there anything I can divide both of these numbers by? Yes, I can divide them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then I look this way. Is there anything I can divide by? No. I look up and down. No, I can't. These are in simplest terms all the way around. So then when I multiply 1 times 2, I get 2. Excuse me. 1 times 5 is I get 5. And I'm in simplest terms right off the bat. So let's try a couple of these, and let's just do our checking. I'm going to pause for a second and grab that marker. Okay, so when we do this, we need to look all these different directions. We'll look here, we'll look here, we'll look here, and here, and see if we can do any reducing. So let's just do it right here. I can see this is an easy one. 6 divided by 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 6. Now I'm good this way, and I'm good up here. Up top and bottom I'm good. There's nothing that goes into 1 and 16 other than 1. And I'm good this way. But looking diagonally here, I really can't do anything. So I can divide these both by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now when I multiply across, I got 1 times 1 on the top, which is 1. And I got 1 times 4 on the bottom, which is 4. 1/4 in simplest terms. All right, what the heck, let's do another one here. Let's jump down a little bit, give ourselves a little room. Look here, and look here, and look here. Now, here I can see I can divide these both by 2. But I also can divide by 2 this way. So I usually cross-reduce first. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Doesn't matter, but and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. See, now I can't cross-reduce there. So I think I'm going to be okay. I'm looking here, 4/5. That looks like it's the simplest terms. 1/7 is good. Can't do anything with 7 and 4. Can't do anything with 1 and 5. This baby should be done. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times 5 is 35. That is in simplest terms. Let's try one more down here. And then we'll call it a day. How about this one here? Can't do anything with 7 and 5, can you? No. How about 3 and 16? No. How about 5 and 16? No. 3 and 7? No. We're going to have some numbers we have to deal with here. Some kind of big ones here. So 3 times 5 is 15. We have 7 times 16. Well, think about 7 times 10 would be 70. And then 7 times 6 would be 42. So looks like this is going to be 112. Now, when you think about that, those are some pretty big numbers, 15 and 112. And how do I know if anything fits in there? Well, if you checked all these different ways, like we did, that will be in simplest terms. All right? I know you're thinking, well, I'm not sure. Well, think about the factors of 5 or 15. 5 goes in there. 5's not going to go in here. 3 goes in here. 1 plus 6 is 6, so we know that 3 goes into 15. But 1 plus 2 plus 1, that's 5. 3's not going to go into 5. The only other factor of 15 is 15, and 15's not going to go into a number that ends in 2. Done. Thanks for listening.